In this video, you'll learn how to delete your messages on eBay. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to manage your inbox effectively, ensuring a cleaner and more organized experience. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the My eBay link, usually found at the top right corner of the page. After this, look for the Messages section. Clicking on this option will display all your conversations with buyers or sellers. Take a moment to review the message threads you want to remove. It is important to understand that while you can delete messages from your inbox via eBay, does not permanently erase them from its system. Accessing your messages properly allows you to select the correct conversation for deletion. Next, open the specific message thread you wish to delete. Within this thread, find the checkbox located next to the message or conversation. Select this checkbox to mark the message for deletion. After selecting, look for the delete option in the message menu. Clicking on this option will prompt a confirmation message to appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the selected message. Confirm your selection to proceed. Deleting the message will remove it from your visible inbox, but keep in mind that it may still be retained in eBay's records. Careful selection during this step is crucial to avoid accidentally deleting important communications. After you have completed the deletion, it is advisable to refresh your inbox. This action ensures that the message you intended to delete is no longer visible. If your eBay account has a trash or deleted folder, check this section as well to confirm the message has been removed. It is wise to keep important transaction-related messages archived instead of deleting them, as this will help you maintain necessary information for future reference. Regular management of your inbox can significantly improve your account organization. Remember that once messages are deleted, they cannot always be recovered. Therefore, it is essential to think carefully before deleting any messages. Proper management of your messages not only helps keep your inbox tidy, but also ensures smoother communication on eBay, facilitating better transactions and interactions with other users. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.